Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish Shopify store. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have made some changes on my actual store. So by using or making these changes, for example, let's actually edit it out. We can put in here some more things, like for example, about us right here. And if you want to publish this change, what you can do is you can click on the save button right. Then once you have saved it, it will be redirected or directly published on your actual store. So for example, let's head over to my store and let's refresh this. And then under this, you can click on contact. And then under here, I should be able to see the contact page and all of that. And from in here, I can also see the actual About Us page once you head over and explore it. So from in here, what you can do is you can head over and then just publish it through here. So if you can see this actual page right here, what you can do is can actually make sure that your page is active. So if your Shopify account is active and the store that you have created is active, it means to have a plan or at least a free trial in order to make sure. So let's head back and I will show you what an inactive or unpublished store look like. So in here, I have here my all stores. So let's just wait for this ready to load. And in here, I have here my store, right? So this store is actually published. This is what I'm showing you right now. And those inactive right here are the unpublished one. This has been inactive because it hasn't had a plan. So you need to buy a plan for your Shopify store to be active. In order to buy a plan, just click on this 2 days of a trial and click on select plan right here in order to choose a plan that is right for you in order to publish your store. So that's the whole process. We have Paris with your help. Feel free to leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.